You guys remember in the last video, my Audi broke down on the road and I had to put it on a wrecker. So today, I'm actually gonna attempt to drive it to the dealership. It might not make it, I might have to call the wrecker again, but I'm doing this with my wife, so my road dog, if we broke down again together, right? Welcome back to another video. This is my father's CRV, Honda CRV. Don't remember the year of it. I don't remember. But yeah, this is probably it's a 2011 or 12. I don't remember. But my brother was driving this car around for the entire Christmas, and he's been telling me that the brake doing some weird things. My father said he fixed the brakes some time ago, sometime, I guess, I don't know if it's early this year, but so he fixed the brakes, so the brakes should be fine. But anyways, my brother left and decided to move the car from upstairs and bring it down, from up the top and bring it down here. And then when the minute you start reverse, you'll see the brake, like the brake, something serious going on in the back brake, in the back left to be exact. So I'm gonna jack up that side and take off the wheel and look what's going on to see what was fixed. But this car is gonna be for sale for sure. And like I said, I'll soon tell you guys the year. When I'll tell you the year. But this car I don't drive. I don't think my father need a car, because wherever my father go, my mother go, and they both always drive the same car, which is not this. They drive the other car that is at their house. So this is going to be for sale, and I don't know yet. Maybe by the end of the video I will come up with a price. But this car I don't drive. It just sit in the sun, just sit at home. When we bought it, put some 18-inch wheel on it right away, instantly. And my father put some seat covers over the seats. So it's a pretty nice car. It need a clean because it's been driving the entire Christmas with no wash. So you can see beach sun and all that stuff inside. But seats, pretty good seats, they don't use. Father just cover them and just park it at the house. These kind of rubbing off though, as usual, because the sun touching these things, so them are gonna melt. They're gonna melt up. But it's a nice car. Nice car, like I say. These seats have no wear in them because it have the seat cover. So yeah. Anybody interested? You can drop me a DM on my Instagram. I will put the Instagram on the screen. Yeah. Jesus saves. You could spoil on the back. We bought this car brand new from the dealer back in. Like I said, I don't remember the year. Bought it brand new. Also, sun, beach, from the beach. Need a proper cleanup now that they're gone. Can clean it up, but nice car. Nice car. Like I said, just the switches stripping. Not an hybrid. And guys, when I said this car don't drive, let me show you. Alright, so look at this, guys. Look at this, the dirt around here. So this thing does stay right in this position all the time. Don't move. AC cool like North Pole weather. Like I said, we need a little clean. I'm going to give it a little interior clean up and thing. But real nice car. Real nice car. handle both sides, but this is not looking good. Not looking good at all. Brake look done. But when I was looking, I realized that the next side seems like it's high, like it's not even been used. It's crazy. Mighty warrior. No, sir. Watch your piston fully out. Watch ya. Oh my days. But this, no, sir. I have to make sure this is a record. Watch ya. Metal. On this side of the rotor probably dead then. Yeah, man, the rotor half dead. And then I can try pressing the piston. Watch out, guys, that's metal alone, this, you know. I'm sure the rotor done. Guys, look at this, man. Wow. Wow. I sent a picture to my father. Yeah, definitely. Rotor, boom. I don't know if it can skim. This can skim. And then these done. Done. Wow. So I just looked at the papers, guys. It's a 2013 Honda CRV, and I didn't even realize it's a 4-wheel drive. Man, 4-wheel drive. I didn't realize. Clean up this, guys, and maybe tomorrow we can see if we can find some used rotor to put on it. What's crazy, guys? Let me show you what's crazy. My father has brand new pads to put on the back of the car and didn't put them on. Brand new pads. Can you imagine that? Man. I wanted to finish up this car for this video, but wasn't able to because I got a rotor, but it was the wrong rotor. So we have to take it back and try and get a new one. Alright, guys, as you know, this car is not charging the battery, so I ended up charging the battery overnight, and I'm gonna attempt to drive it to Audi right now to leave it there. Hopefully I make it. Driving this car now is like driving an electric car. Only difference is that the engine is actually driving the car, but it's relying on the battery, because you know these new vehicles, a lot of technology and all that stuff, it needs the battery there. The alternators are actually almost like a hybrid system, you know. It's not like normal alternators, you know, so the transmission itself, you know, rely a lot on the battery and everything, you know. So let's go. Also, you know, electronic power steering, the display in the car, it's digital. So everything needs the battery in this car, every single thing. So let's see if we can make it. I'm not using any AC, turn off the radio. I turn off everything that I can turn off. I don't think the daylight running light is on. And the thing is, if I try to drive too fast, it will neutral up. The car will go in neutral because I guess safety stuff. But as you can see, the battery light is on right here, and a little sign that shows you there's an issue. Everything off, AC off, radio off. Everything I can turn off is off. I wonder if I can turn off the display. What is? Oh no. No, don't need that. The worst thing is having a problem, you know, and you have to stop at so much stoplight. Worst thing. I'm not even going to use indicator. Man, hurry up, green please, green me. And I'm trying to stay out of traffic. Trying to stay away from the traffic. Cruising along. And here comes another stoplight. Man. And another stoplight, but the beauty about this stoplight is that the dealership is right across the street. Right there. So I'm almost there. Think I will make it, guys. Think I will make it. Battery strong enough to bring me there. Alright, look like we're making good progress. Alright, we make it. We make it. And the wife is here to pick me up.
I'm not sure.
Alright guys, we're doing the checks and stuff, you know, just to make sure that whatever damage you come here with, you know, I don't come here come see any new damages, so just do the regular checks. Of course, we're on machine execution. Yeah, man. So when you come here, guys, you see that brother, I am.
Yeah, man.
You don't know already, you don't know already.
Machine more sure, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, machine, but I'll pull it somewhere now to get to the machine.
Yeah. Alright, I'll show it to you, man, and we'll forward back.
Somebody can pick you up?
Yep. Alright guys, so the car is at the dealership now. It's gonna be there for a while because I cannot imagine that they would have a alternator in stock. I can't imagine that. But if so, that would be beautiful. But maybe it will take some time to pull it down and all that stuff. So maybe they have it in stock and it's just gonna take some time to pull it down. But yeah, wifey came along to pick me up. Wifey was burning up the road behind me.
I was not.
It a burn up the road, man. I see her. Normally, when I drive out and go on the road, like she would take forever to come out on the main road. But she that me say, and even when you know when you bad up the light and thing I go through, you that me say I come through.
I did not know what he's talking about.
See she come through, boop 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 boop. She never brought the red light, not the red light, but she come through the light.
And then do you see I turned? Like normally I'll wait for you to turn the car and all that, and I did everything by myself.
Let's see him. Burn up the road.
Because he's very intimidated when it comes to anything driving around him, so I normally don't like it. Like he's just so.
Anyway, she took out some time out of her Pilates class to come and follow me there. So we're rushing to get to her Pilates session. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Big up. We'll have some updates on the smart car maybe in the next vlog. The smart car done. Let me say that the smart car is finished. I was supposed to pick up the car like the day after, but I just the time, you know, don't have the time to do all of that. park underground. Yeah, so we'll have some updates on that when we pick up that. Maybe my wife will go for another test rip in it. Hopefully it don't break down this time.